If you're planning to start a business in South Carolina, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in South Carolina even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose South Carolina for your LLC? For one, you have a business-friendly environment. With a low corporate income tax rate, you get to keep more of your hard-earned profits, something every business owner loves. And of course, you have a simplified compliance. That means less paperwork, fewer deadlines, and more time to focus on growing your business. And it offers a robust protections and flexibility. LLC owners benefit from strong personal liability protection plus adaptable tax structures, giving you both security and options for your business. And of course, you have a thriving small business community. With over 479,000 small businesses across the state, that is a supportive ecosystem ready to help your business succeed. After that is choosing a name for your LLC. Remember, your name must be unique and not already in use by another business in South Carolina. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, L.L.C., LC, L.C., or sometimes LTD. You should avoid restricted words like bank, FBI, government, bureau, or any terms implying association with government agencies. Now, if you have a specific name in mind and you wanted to check that availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the South Carolina Secretary of State Business Entities online tool to verify the name availability. Type in your business name. If no matching results appear, that means you are good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is reserving your business name. Now, this step is optional, but it is a smart move, especially if you're not quite ready to file your articles of organization just yet. You can secure your desired business name for a small fee of $25. This will put a temporary hold on the name, giving you exclusive rights to it. Next is choosing a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is someone can be a person or a business authorized to receive all the legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in South Carolina. Many people use a professional registered agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video for convenience and privacy. But you can also act as your own agent provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. Next is choosing a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is someone can be a person or a business authorized to receive all the legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in South Carolina. Many people use a professional registered agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video for convenience and privacy. But you can also act as your own agent provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. Now it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. There are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, but what we highly suggest is to file it online. All you have to do is go to the South Carolina Business Entities online portal And then there is going to be a filing fee of $110. You need to verify the current fee on the Secretary of State site. All right, and be prepared to provide your LLC name, principal office address, registered agent details, and the organizer's signatures. While not legally required in South Carolina, an operating agreement is highly recommended because an operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed, member roles, voting rights, and how profits and losses will be distributed. Having one helps prevent disputes later and shows that your LLC is separate from your personal finances. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now, another crucial step that we need to do is to obtain necessary business licenses and permits. Number one is going to be the state level. That means you don't need to worry about applying for one from the state level, which can simplify your process quite a bit. And of course, you have the local requirements. Do not forget about local requirements because many counties and cities in South Carolina will require you to obtain a local business license. And there is going to be the industry-specific licenses. For example, you might need a seller's permit or professional licenses depending on the type of business you're running. So make sure to do your research to see if your industry requires any additional paperwork. And of course, there is going to be the local verification. The last thing you want is to be caught off guard by unexpected licensing or permit needs. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including South Carolina. The good news is if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. Just enter your desired business name. If you want to skip and decide later, you can also do that. And we need to choose the state. And in this case, that's going to be South Carolina. If you want to provide your business email address or phone number, you can do that. Now, it's important to select the industry. So in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically that's it on how to register an LLC in South Carolina, which is a straightforward process if you follow these steps, making it a smart choice for many small business owners. With just a bit of planning and paperwork, you can start focusing on growing your business rather than worrying about legal hassles. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.